From the lush tranquility of bamboo forests emerges a material shaping the future of design: composite bamboo. At the heart of Bcompact's innovative approach lies this versatile material, a cornerstone in crafting functional and aesthetically stunning stairs and ladders. The journey begins with a visionary design where functionality converges with sustainability. Composite bamboo, celebrated for its remarkable strength and pliability, is transformed through skilled craftsmanship to fulfill these innovative designs. Watch as these bamboo sheets evolve into elegantly engineered stairs and ladders, each piece a testament to precision and quality. Rigorous testing ensures each product stands the test of time, epitomizing strength and durability. The result is a lineup of sustainable, space-efficient solutions that seamlessly integrate into modern living and workspaces. With Bcompact, composite bamboo transcends its natural form, becoming an integral part of our everyday spaces. Join us in embracing this journey of innovation, where nature's ingenuity meets cutting-edge design.